Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to discuss assignment number 10. So let's start discussing question number 1a. I have written down the integration by parts theorem in your screen. You can see it. And what is the question number 1a? We have to find integration of x cube into ln x. Okay, so I am taking small fx as ln x and gx as x cube. Okay, so capital Gx will be x to the power 4 by 4, right? And why is f dash x 1 by x? This because ln x is equal to integration of 1 by t dt from 1 to x, and then if you differentiate it, um, you this directly follows from FTC, fundamental theorem of calculus. If you see the statement, so you will get it. FTC part 1, I think. So this follows directly from FTC. So now let's write it. It will be ln x, then capital Gx will be x to the power 4 by 4, 1 to e, and then minus of integration 1 to e f dash x is 1 by x, then integration, not integration, that is g capital Gx x to the power 4 by 4 dx, right? Now if you simplify this will be ln e, and then e to the power 4 by 4, and then this will be ln 1 1 by 4. Okay, then minus of this is 1 to e integration x cube by 4 dx. So this will be ln e will be 1, then e to the power 4 4, then minus ln 1 will be 0 because 1 to 1 you are integrating, so this will be 0. Then okay, so this thing will be x to the power 4 by 4 into 4 from e 1 to e. Okay, so it will be e to the power 4 by 4 minus e to the power 4 by 16. Okay, minus, so this will become plus because there is already a minus, so this will be 1. Yeah, so you can do the calculation. So this finishes 1a. So now we are going to discuss 1b. So this is the question. I'm going to take small fx as sine 2x, and then gx as e to the power minus 2x. Okay, so first we have to write fx, then we have to write capital Gx. So capital Gx here will be e to the power minus 2x by minus 2. You can check it, that g dash x will be e to the power minus 2x into minus 2, which will be e to the power minus 2x, which is our small gx. Okay, so fx is our sine 2x and small gx is what? E to the power minus 2x. Capital Gx will be e to the power minus 2x by minus 2, and then g dash x is equal to, of course it is small gx. I have to find f dash x. F dash x will be cos 2x, I'm using chain rule. Okay, cos 2x, then differentiation of 2x, which will be 2. Okay, so now you can put it in the formula of integration by part. You will get sin 2x into e to the power minus 2x by minus 2 minus of integration of 2 cos 2x into e to the power minus 2x by minus 2. Okay, now you see, this will give us this one, and now this minus and this minus will become plus, and it will be cos 2x e to the power minus 2x. 2 and 2 also cancels out. Okay, so this is what will be the formula, and then we have to find this integration, right? So I have written down here, and if you integrate it again, you take small fx as cos 2x and small gx as e to the power minus 2x in this case, and you will get cos 2x into e to the power minus 2x by minus 2. Okay, so now again minus integration of what, f dash x. In this case, f dash x will be differentiation of this cos 2x. Cos differentiation is minus sine, so minus sine 2x, and then chain rule you are using, so differentiation of 2x will be 2. Okay, so this is the formula, and then of course integration of antiderivative of e to the power minus 2x. So this will be e to the power minus 2x by minus 2 dx. And now you can see this minus and this minus, this will be plus, and then there is another minus. Okay, so so we'll get a minus sign here, and 2 and 2 will cancel out. Okay, so it will be minus sine 2x into e to the power minus 2x dx, and this thing will be cos 2x into e to the power minus 2x by minus 2. Okay, so this is our value for integration of cos 2x into e to the power minus 2x dx. So if you input this value here in this thing, you will get, this thing is already there. Okay, now this thing, this will be cos 2x e to the power minus 2x by minus 2, this one, and then this one minus sine 2x e to the power minus 2x dx. And then if you take this term here, you will get 2 times this integration, and this will be equal to this one plus this one. So that's what I have written here, and now you take 2 this side, so you will get sine 2x e to the power minus 2x by minus 4 plus cos 2x into e to the power minus 2x by minus 4. So this finishes 1b. Hi, let's start discussing 1c. In 1c, we are required to find the integration of x into tan square x, and it is from 0 to pi by 3. So in this case, I am taking small gx as tan square x, and let me write it down. Small gx is equal to tan square x. Okay, so I'm claiming that capital gx will be tan x minus x. Let's see how it works. So if you differentiate g, capital gx, you will get differentiation of tan x minus x, this whole differentiation, and you can separate it out. So differentiation of tan x is x square x, and then differentiation of x is 1, so this will be 6 square minus 1, and then 6 square x minus 1 is tan square x, because this is an identity, you can see it, and this tan square x is our small gx. So everything is fine, and I'm taking small fx as x, and f dash x will then become 1. Okay, so now if you put integration, this formula is an integration by part formula, then you will get x into capital Gx, which is tan x minus x, 0 to pi by 3. If you put the value at 0, it won't, it will be zeros. At pi by 3, this will be the value. And then minus of what? Integration f dash x. F dash x is 1 into capital Gx. Capital Gx is tan x minus x. So this is the final formula. And then this thing is fine, we have checked. And then minus of what I'm going to use is that integration additive property, that if something hs is given from a to b, then you can actually write it, sorry, hx, and let's say f, no, let's say lx, this thing is given, let me write it properly, dx, then this will be a to b hx dx plus a to b lx dx. This is your, this is the property of definite integral, so that's what I'm using here. So I can write tan x dx, then minus minus will be plus plus, so this will be x dx. Okay, so tan x I'm going to write as sin x by cos x, and then if you see, I'm going to take uh, t as cos x. Going to use substitution here. I'm going to substitute t is equal to cos x. Okay, so oh, I have already written it down here. So cos x is equal to t, then minus sin x dx by dt is equal to 1. So minus sin x dx is equal to dt. Okay, so this minus sin x dx, this will become dt, and cos x is our t. So, and then you have to accordingly change the value of 0 and pi by 3. Okay, so you will get what, if you put cos of 0, this will be 1, and cos of pi by 3, this will be half. Okay, so this will reduce to dt by t, and integration from 1 to half. Okay, and then the next integration we keep it as it is. So now this thing pi by 3 into tan pi by 3 is root 3 and minus pi by 3, and then integration of dt, not integration of dt, I mean integration dt by t, this will be ln t. This is definition of ln t, and so this will be this will be from half to, oh sorry, 1 to half. Okay, and then integration of x will be x square by 2. This is from 0 to pi by 3. Okay, so you will get this thing plus ln half minus ln 1 will be 0, so we don't write it. And then if you put pi by 3 here, it will be pi square by 9. 2 is sitting here, so it will be pi square by 18. Okay, and so this will be the answer. Okay, I'm bad at calculation, so if you see any calculation error in 1a, 1b, 1c, you let me know. And this finishes 1c.